Aww. This is my salad taco recipe. This is a recipe that's great for those times when you're getting tired of eating the same old boring salad. I'm using my weight loss salad as an example in this recipe, but you can really use any pre-made salad that you already have in your fridge. It's a great way to sort of repurpose your salad. So you're just gonna brown a couple of tortillas in a pan, and then you assemble. Take some guacamole or any type of spread you have. This is a vegan sour cream. Add your salad on top, make it nice and crunchy with some extra vegetables. Add some flavorful herbs, and that's it. A salad taco. That's so easy. It really does go a long way towards making your salad fresh again. And you can add so many different flavors in there with different types of herbs, veggies, sauces like guacamole or hummus. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get these videos as soon as I publish them. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, and make sure to sign up for my email newsletter on my website so you can get a free Healthy Recipes cookbook. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.